Hey there, marketers, salespeople, business development folks. Connor Doobie here, Director of Sales and Marketing at Active Blogs. I wanted to share a really quick minor tip with you, and I actually had an interesting case this morning of prospecting and following up with a prospect that I had done a proposal for and the relationship was great, the fit was well, but the timing, it just wasn't there yet. And so we ended things on a great note, but we've gone our separate ways. I've been busy, they've been busy, and I saw them checking out my LinkedIn profile earlier today. I haven't seen them show up, haven't communicated back with me in the last few months, and so that is just an example of how you can take advantage of LinkedIn and different buying signals. If this person doesn't communicate with me or isn't engaging with me for months, all of a sudden I see them on our website, I see them checking out our LinkedIn profile. This is why analytics on your website is so important, so you know what's happening. But so I just saw them checking out my LinkedIn profile this morning. I just sent them a follow-up email, and I would venture to guess that they're going to get back with me. Generally, that's the case when I take advantage of who's viewed my profile and just pay attention. Those little tiny signals could really add those extra deals in that you wouldn't have had otherwise, because you know when to go follow up. Hope that was helpful, and hope you guys are having an awesome rest of your day. See ya.